Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to fully format a data in Excel using the shortcut key. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet and here you can see I have a data. So this data I fully formatted here. You can see this way. If you want data fully formatted this way by using the shortcut key. So let's see how it's done. Go to the sheet number 1 and here select the entire data, use the shortcut key Ctrl A and use the second shortcut key Alt H N to remove colors. You can see the all color is removed. Press the third shortcut key Alt H O I to auto column width. Okay. Then press the fourth shortcut key Alt H O A to auto row height. Okay. Then next fifth shortcut key to border Alt H B A to border full data. Then press the Ctrl T, convert this data in table. And that's it. Your data is fully formatted. Okay. So this is a way you can use here the shortcut key and quickly you can format your data in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.